In this video, I'll show you how to make Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's all-time favorite pancakes, the infamous coconut banana pancakes.
These are my favorite pancakes in the world. These are, well, what I've been calling them is DJ's infamous coconut banana pancakes. These are incredible, these pancakes. They are incredible. Here comes the main event.
After he posted this on his Instagram, I had to give it a try, since I'm a big fan of trying anything coconut. Then I'll give you my review of this at the end of this video, so stay tuned.
Coconut banana pancakes, these are my all-time favorite, all-time favorite, all-time favorite.
And here are the complete ingredients needed. The Rock posted the official ingredients on his Instagram. This recipe ingredient list makes a total of 10 medium pancakes. However, I don't need to make that many pancakes, so I'm just going to half everything on the ingredient list and end up making 5 medium pancakes instead. Okay, so to get started, in a large bowl add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cane sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 5 tablespoons of unsweetened shredded coconut, and mix lightly with a wooden spoon. Then in a separate bowl, add a half cup of coconut water, half cup of coconut milk, half cup of whole milk, crack 1 egg, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter. And I know I forgot to melt that butter, but it still worked out. And then lightly whisk that all together. Back to the flour mixture, make a well in the center, and then pour in the milk mixture. And mix lightly to combine, leaving the batter clumpy. Then cut 1 medium banana into small dices. And then pour into the batter. And then briefly stir to distribute evenly. Then in your pan, use a combination of cooking oil spray and butter to medium heat. Then add a half cup of batter to the pan, which will make 1 medium pancake. Cook until the top of the pancakes have bubbles and a few bursts, about 2 to 3 minutes, then flip carefully with a thin spatula. When the bottom looks golden, you can remove to a plate. And then repeat and do the same process for the remaining pancakes, and add more spray and butter if needed. And now that the pancakes are ready, you can top it off with maple syrup. And optionally, if you want, The Rock also likes to add peanut butter to this pancake.
Because, you know, peanut butter is my jam. Smother this on here.
And if you want to take it a step further, sometimes he likes to add strawberry jam to one of the peanut butter topped pancakes.
What gonna do a little something different here. I got some amazing strawberry jelly. We're gonna smother some strawberry jelly.
And there you go, The Rock's coconut banana pancakes, made in 3 of his different toppings. I'll try all 3. First, just the maple syrup. Next one, maple syrup with peanut butter. And third, maple syrup peanut butter with strawberry jam. This looks delicious and I'm ready to try it out. So let's get to the reviews. Alright, done making The Rock's coconut banana pancakes. So I've got this pancake here, just the maple syrup. This one has the peanut butter and maple syrup, and this one has the maple syrup, peanut butter, and strawberry jam. So kind of 3 layers. I'll taste the one with just the maple syrup first. See how it tastes. Okay. Right away you can taste the banana and then the crisp of the coconut flakes. So it does taste very much like coconut banana. And that maple syrup gives it that sweet taste. Really good so far. Yeah, very tropical banana coconut tasting pancakes. Really good. Okay, so that was the first one. This one has the peanut butter and the maple syrup. So I'm gonna try that. Whip some maple syrup. Slather the peanut butter. Wow, that's good. Never thought of putting peanut butter on pancakes. Yeah, that tastes really good. Peanut butter, banana, coconut pancakes. Sweet flavor. Wow, I'm loving that. Cheat meal. Every Sunday, cheat meal. Rock says it's okay to have a cheat meal.
Enjoy your cheat meal Sundays, my friends. And remember the golden rule. Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself.
All right, let's go for the strawberry added on. So strawberry, jam, peanut butter, and then the maple syrup. Punch of flavors. You just keep getting more and more flavors. So much going on with the strawberry one. It's interesting. Let me try this one more time. Okay, if you want a lot of flavors going on in your pancake, the strawberry and banana, I feel like the strawberry and banana goes well. But then you also got the peanut butter, the maple syrup, and the coconut. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, I could do that as well. But I think my favorite one would be the one with the peanut butter. I like that. And then I also like the one with just the maple syrup, because the banana and coconut already has a lot of flavor. Let me go back to the first one. It's more on the plain side. Might as well go all out if this is our cheat meal. Add some whipping cream. I'm going to try the peanut butter one again. Some maple syrup. Yeah, the peanut butter cannot disappoint. It's really good. Let me go back to the first one. The one, just the maple syrup. And then add whipping cream. Yeah, this one's good. Just coconut and banana. The maple syrup gives it the sweetness, topped with the whipping cream. Try the strawberry. It's almost like you're making a peanut butter jelly sandwich with the strawberry and jam and the peanut butter. Yeah, I love them all. You can't go wrong. This is really good. Very tropical. Banana coconut tasting for sure. So yeah, I love these. I give it a 10 out of a 10. So perfect score. I would make these again. All right, thanks The Rock for sharing this recipe. And if you guys haven't tried it out, try it out. It's really good, and I think you'll love it. If you love coconut, banana, sweet pancakes, these will taste really good. So, all right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.